Welcome to Transform Your Health, the balanced life blueprint, your personal journey to lasting health and vibrant energy. This isn't about quick fixes or drastic changes. It's about building powerful habits, one step at a time. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of mindful eating, balanced nutrition, smart movement, and a mindset that fuels success. Get ready to discover your strength, your balance, and your best life. This is your time. Let's begin. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and share. What if I told you? The most powerful transformation of your life won't start in a gym or at a juice bar. It starts in your mind. Right now, you're one decision away from setting a foundation that could change everything. Your energy, your mood, your health, your future. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to begin. Welcome to Transform Your Health, the balanced life blueprint. This is week 1, the foundation. For the next 7 days, we're not diving into diets, restrictions, or grueling workouts. We're doing something far more powerful. We're learning to pay attention, because true health doesn't come from punishment. It comes from awareness. It's not about cutting carbs or counting calories. It's about noticing. What am I eating? How am I feeling? Am I nourishing or numbing? Here's the truth. Studies show that people who track or observe their habits without judgment are 2 times more likely to create lasting change. Why? Because you can't change what you're not aware of. So this week, you're going to slow down. You're going to notice. You're going to choose one small shift, not 10, not 5, just 1. Maybe it's drinking a glass of water when you wake up. Maybe it's a 15-minute walk after dinner. Maybe it's putting your phone down during meals. Whatever it is, choose something that feels manageable and do it consistently. And when you eat today, don't change anything yet. Just observe. Am I hungry or just bored? Did I eat fast or actually taste it? How do I feel after I eat? That's where the wisdom lives, not in restriction, but in reflection. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. Because that presence, that's the beginning of transformation. So grab your notebook. Pick your one small shift and take the first step. Remember, you don't have to do it all today. You just have to start. Your foundation is being built, brick by brick, and this is the first one. Let's begin. You've taken another step forward, proud, strong, and committed. Remember, transformation isn't a race, it's a journey. Keep building your habits, keep honoring your progress, and be gentle with yourself along the way. Every choice you make today shapes the healthier, happier you of tomorrow. Stay focused, stay inspired. We're in this together. If you're following this journey, drop a comment below, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos.